Muthenya wa umuthi 2nd of May 2025 Kuria Kisiland ni gwakorwo na a very big homecoming ya Fred Matiang'i. Fred Matiang'i turakirikiria gukiona akiingira coalition ini iria irenda gwithondekwo ni Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, kijano Eugene Wamalwa, Mbogi yothe nturonire ni araingirire Mbogi-ini yo no muthi ni akorwo akilaunch presidential bid yake Kuria Kisii. Uhoro uria wakorwo ukiamukirwo ni andu kuria na njira monene muno. Actually something that has never been seen in Kisii has happened today. Ntwarikia gukorwo tukiona ginya andu ni marigire gukorwo makiadresserwo kuria nja na makorwo magitwara stadium na stadium yakorwo ikihura na njira imwe nene muno. And guess what? Matiang'i was welcomed by Kisii governor Simba Arati uria akoragwo ODM na hakorwo haria na ciuria nyingi kwini ametoka what Kisii people planning tondu thaici kwina wave yo thaici turarekia kuona utetini wanasiasa ni maraji group muno urakora o mwanasiasa ni arang'eng'ana uria kundu kwao gukorwo ena block turona Gachagua anyitireire kirima haria arauga ni ekurigoria kiama gia kirima. Turona Eugene Wamalwa anyitirire kiama giake haria. Turona Kalonzo Musyoka anyitirire kiama giake ni undu wa Eastern Region. Everyone is trying kuria Mobatha nturaigure menda guthodeka kiama. Everyone is trying to have like their own party na noguo turakirikia kuona ginya Kuria Kisii maundu magithi na mbere.
Gombori kerengati Ojimeze Jonesby Matiang'i ngochore obwatana n'abantu bande mukwana neza kubinde Kenya n'abarayi bagusi mutora tokende sabari ndora mwamborigo ntayari mole kombwati sine ndengeni. When there are challenges in a country such as we have now, and we have many challenges. Let us not pretend. We have serious challenges. We can very easily be tempted with each other. We start beating each other, be divided, and to mess ourselves up and destroy our country. I want to ask you, my fellow citizens, tafadhali tunawaomba tusipoteze imani. Let us not lose hope in our country. Tukae na imani. We are a country that is built on resilience. Hizi shida zote tuko nazo hapa, tushikane sisi wote. Siku hiyo ikifika tutavuka hiyo daraja na tutaenda mbele. Mungu atatusaidia tufix hiyo maneno ili jetu iwe sawa sawa. Mimi nawashukuru sana, tushikane sisi wote pamoja. tuenda safari hii, tushike kadi ya kura, tupige kura, tukae na amani na upendo. Eba msiiti this time round tutatafuta ikitu na mkono wa kushoto ili tuende polepole tufike hapo. Mungu na wabariki, asante.
And this has sent a very big blow to William Ruto's camp. Kuna andũ arĩa magĩkoragwo camp-inĩ ya William Ruto na nĩ region ĩyo ya Kisii. Thaa ici nĩ njũĩ maihũire maĩnda makĩrigwo how are they going to tackle that, tondũ ũhoro ũcio nĩ warehe mũrurumo mũnene mũno in Gusii land. But on the other hand, Tom Matiang'i urenda kurugama gĩtĩ gĩa president kuma Kisii, and tukoretwo tukiona former chief justice David Maraga akiuga onake nĩ arenda gĩtĩ kĩu gĩa president, na akũrĩa tukoretwo tukiona onake he hĩndĩ ya public lecture na akĩkorwo akĩaria ũhoro wa national leadership na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno. And now the big question comes, if these two people vie for president, is it going to be advantageous or disadvantageous to William Ruto and his bid to retain his seat in 2027? Andũ aya eri kuma region ĩmwe gũkorwo nĩ mekũrũgama. Fred Matiang'i nĩtũkĩrĩkia gũkorwo tukiona a reception yake kũrĩa Kisii mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, and David Maraga of course nĩtũkoretwo tukiona akũrĩa nenda-inĩ cia X nĩ makoretwo makĩarĩrĩria ũhoro ũcio. This of course is going to be beneficial to William Ruto, tondũ thaa ici with the tension that is there right now, every camp that wants to clinch power nĩ marang'ang'ana mũno atĩ andũ arĩa matarĩ mwena wao makageria as much as they can to divide them. Na thaa ici William Ruto kuona atĩ kũrĩa Gĩthii Fred Matiang'i nĩ akorwo na reception ĩyo, na David Maraga ena reception njega onake, it is a win for him, tondũ nĩ ramenya angĩkorwo region ĩno ya Kisii ndĩkoni support full, then it is better wagawanisha hizo kura ndo zisikuwe beneficial to anyone. So if that is going to happen na all the eri makorwo makirugama, it is just going to be a waste of votes. Reception yo ya mũthĩ nĩ yakorwo njega mũno, and I would wish nigetha ikorwo beneficial in 2027 in Gusii land gukorwo nĩ mũndũ ũmwe, nigetha a coalition ĩno ĩrathondekwo, by the time ĩrathondekwo wega na macagũrĩre mũndũ ũmwe, it will be one person from Kisii ũrĩa ũkwĩyumĩria na auge rĩu niĩ angĩkorwo tĩ nĩ ndathurwo rĩu nduĩke presidential aspirant wa this coalition, then all the people of Kisii, I'm directing them to that coalition. No kũngĩkorwo kwĩna andũ erĩ, ũgũkora mũndũ ũmwe arĩhĩtwo nĩ mwena wa William Ruto, na ũyũ ũngĩ nĩ wa coalition. Koguo ũyũ wa coalition ĩno ya Ruto ya Gachagua itabaki amepeleka kura kidogo na ule mwingine amegawanya kura. Neutral. No one gets it. Reception hiyo ya Fred Matiang'i nĩ gũkorwo ikirehe maũndũ maingĩ mũno siasa-inĩ in the next few days, because I don't think William Ruto's camp expected that. That was big. Andũ acio mu maingĩ nĩ nyonire nginya makĩrega gũkorwo makĩaddresserwo kũu street-inĩ cia taũni na mathiĩ nginya stadium. I can't wait to see what is going to happen next in politics. Hena report, hena a prediction ndikirie kuona muthenya wa umuthi, and it was posted by Duncan Dongo kule nene cia Facebook. It was posted in 7th of November 2024, that is last year, na it is a checklist. This checklist is several months old, na irakorwo ikianalyze maundu uria meguthi makihapenagi, and being released on 7th of November, ni yakorirwo ikihithuria maundu, na some of the things have been happening. Number 1, ithiete ginya number 21. Let me read the whole of it, then to analyze ithui haha turi thaa ici tukinyite ha. Gachagua will be impeached. That is number 1. Number 2, he will rush to court, but the court will not overturn the decision. Number 3, after 7 days, the Senate will vote, and over 30 of them will support his impeachment. Number 4, he will thus vacate the office by end of October. After a series of court battles, which will all fail, Kindiki will be appointed deputy president in early November, and his interior docket taken by Raila Odinga die hard. The mountain will erupt and Gachagua will get more MPs, about 30, on his side, and each day they will campaign against Ruto in Mount Kenya region. Number 7, Mount Kenya people will not like Ruto, Kindiki or Gachagua, but will prefer to gang up against Ruto. All pro-Ruto, number 8, all pro-Ruto MPs in Mount Kenya will face rejection and the ground will shift to be more of anti-Ruto. Number 9, Gachagua and about 30 other MPs will decamp from UDA but will not resign. Number 10, Gachagua, Kalonzo, Natembeya, Wamalwa, Munya, and Kipruto, Kirwa will start a joint opposition movement called Okoa Kenya. Number 11, they will nickname pro-Ruto supporters as Ondoa Zakayo movement. February 2025, Raila will lose AU chairmanship. Number 13, USA will bring Matiang'i into play and he will be backed by Okoa Kenya proponents. Number 14, Matiang'i will be endorsed by Okoa Kenya as the presidential candidate in August 2025. Gwĩciria thaa ici how number 13, USA will bring Matiang'i into play and he will be backed by Okoa Kenya proponents. Ndumiriri ndakoro haria ngĩmĩ-analyze na ngĩrigwo what is really happening. Matiang'i will be brought by US government. Nĩtũĩ Matiang'i akoretwo wĩra in the World Bank, but has he been brought by the US? Acha tuendelee na from number 16 row. From number 16 nĩ maũndũ rĩu marĩa tũgweterera. From number 15 nĩ maũndũ rĩu marĩa tũgweterera tuone kana nĩ mekũhappen according to this prediction. By 2026, Raila will join Matiang'i and will endorse him for president. 2027 February will see all Gen Zs support Matiang'i. UDA, number 17, UDA will break into several groups and only 3 parties will be left under the Kenya Kwanza grouping. Number 18, May 2027, President Ruto may resign and will not be Kenya Kwanza candidate and will endorse either Mudavadi or Kindiki to run. Number 19, August 2027, Matiang'i will win against Kenya Kwanza by a wide margin, 60-40. That is the ratio. Number 20, Matiang'i will become the president of Kenya. Number 21, over 70% of Mount Kenya MPs will lose their seats to newcomers. That is a prediction yakorirwo ikirekererio before. From number 1 to number 21 nĩ maũndũ marakorirwo makirekererio before even number 1 happened. That is before there was a plan to impeach Gachagua. Nĩguo prediction ino yakorirwo ikirekererio. It was then shared on 7th of November, and then now it was shared today. Tondu twarikia gukorwo tukiona Matiang'i akimake a very big homecoming kũrĩa Kisii. But the big question is, will Matiang'i clinch that seat of the president come 2027? You can comment down there and tell us what you think about that story.